got my little one, as always. Now, coming up to this UPS to pick up real quick. Then we about to go get some tools from Harbor Freight. So we get a couple of quick little jobs knocked out, and then we getting some paint for these walls. Like I said, we're gonna paint half the wall. That'll be good enough for now, at least. All right, so we got some lower armrest pods. I always suggest, man, like if you want the light up armrest, all right, you got to have these for one, because I'm not running to the store to go get it. But if you want them to exact match, like, because some sprays shiny, some not, and when you piecing these together, you basically taking what you could get. So I always say, want to match exactly with the armrest, send me y'all you can wrap these, and the armrest be wrapped, and they'll be the exact same shade, exact same color. And you do need these. Once again, you do need these clip nuts when you tighten them down, or you have to take it apart and secure it another way. But that's the best way. It's a Milwaukee set. I've been waiting on it, man. I've been one battery shouted for a minute, so definitely needed this. What is this? It's some speakers and tweezers for somebody console. Well, I'm gonna knock some shop work out this week, because I'm kind of at a standstill. I got 2 things left, 3 things. I got paint, ADT, or some security system. Paint, ADT, and the floor before I can take anything. And I got to do the electrical stuff. So, but with the electrical, I can still work without it. I just can't do no CNC and nothing that requires spraying without it. Then I got to replace my air compressor at home too, so I can still work at home. That's the stuff I don't need the car for. This is the impact for the shop. Shop impact. And I got my own at home. I got my own charger at home. Amen. Appreciate you, Rob. Man, this is one of the ones I can get from my house because they're quiet with. Look at what they cost now. I remember when these was $200, $250. Now the big 60 gallons, $600, and these $400-500. Crazy. That's the gas joint for the back of the trucks. They don't even post the big generators no more. I mean the big air compressors no more. No, they don't. But we just about to get some nice common stuff y'all know I'm gonna use frequently. Anything else I can just try to plan ahead or go home and get it. I'm not getting air hose right now because I want to get some reels. I don't want them hanging on the floor. Yeah, I want to get some reels like that. So 50-foot reels, maybe. Yeah. $80, not bad. Back at Home Depot, trying to get some paint. Got a little piece of drywall that fell from the top. Got one of the iron beams. So that's where we'll go and get our direct match off. Baby sleepy. She was like, hey, forget this. So we gotta get this paint real quick. And then get to the shop, try to paint the wall. Be done by like noon, 12:30. It's like 11:30. 1 o'clock. We're gonna try to be done by 1 o'clock. Give me an hour and a half. All right, we're gonna get this little cheap primer. Should be enough. Hit those few spots. Then we're gonna get about, I wanna try a 5 gallon, but I'm gonna just go with a 6 just in case. I don't wanna run out and I wanna have extra. But yeah, let's get it going. And I should have let them get it ready at this point.
Please, would you like
way
an
more
e-receipt?
than I expected. Print only. Man, my baby knocked out, man. I done bought her some food. She didn't even get to eat it. Baby out of there. But man, I ain't gonna be able to paint as soon as I thought. I didn't even take account that you need 24 hours to dry. So I'm gonna just spray this little primer and go back home, and then I'm gonna do some work, some regular work. But like I said, I'm priming this spot. It's like somewhere where the water was draining, and that's where the oil from the air compressor, like it's kind of hard to explain, but that's where that was at. I can tell. It's like grease dust was what this was. But yeah, I'm priming these little spots. I'm going back home. Go do some work at home. Alright, y'all, hit them spots up. Let all that. There's a couple spots I've seen I ain't really too fond of on that. Y'all probably can see it. Yeah. A couple over here. But the major spots is taken care of. And I'm just come back and spray. But I gotta come back and bring some cleaner and some microfiber towels. Try to clean all the oil up on all the knobs and all the areas. Like, you can tell somebody when they had the dirty hands, you know, just touching the dough like that. And all right there. Same thing at home with my kids. When they start touching stuff with the dirty hands, it's all about the light switches and everything, the corners of the wall. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I gotta clean all that before I paint it again like this. All that dirt. Gotta clean up all that before I paint it. But yeah, I'm coming back tonight. I ain't waiting 24 hours because it dried pretty quick. So if I come back about 7, 8 o'clock, I can just spray it. I'm gonna bring some tape and paper. I can tape up the outlets, tape up the sub panel. Service panel. Yeah, I'm good. But I'm close the boy back up. Man, fire marshal just came by. They was telling me about him yesterday, but this was one of the cool people. Said, yeah, you bought the right fire extinguisher, you just gotta get it serviced. I was like, yes. This was the most expensive one, ABC. So, got the right fire extinguisher. Said this gotta be covered up and no blank spots in here, which I was gonna have all these anyway. Air compressor, CNC vacuum, and then all that. I can switch over here, but I'm gonna clean this up myself. That shit is very, very crazy looking. I'm gonna put the panel back on. But yeah. So other than that, I just need to get an exit sign over my door. Take the primer home, cause I definitely need this for the house. Cause I got some painting I gotta do from dirty kid hands. Y'all stay tuned. Today, so I said, man, this primer gotta be dry enough, cause yeah, I'm trying to make stuff happen. So it's the X5, just bought it, don't really know how to use it. I was just watching videos on how to use it and going off to the sheet. So pretty simple. You just gotta flush it correctly and you ready to go. So I'm about to flush it real quick, then put the tube that go in the paint back in the paint. Once the paint come out the drain tube, stick the drain tube off to the side, all that they say. But try and get this half of the wall sprayed, then back road with the roller set I bought, and then that'll be done. Coming along. So, and this damn sprayer, boy, this sprayer is the cheat code. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. Damn, I wish I had a scaffold or something so I could just go ahead and go up. But I had them match it close they could to what was already on the wall off a piece that had failed, and this is what I got. So shit, it still look a whole lot better than what it was, but you can definitely tell the difference in the tones. So walls get dirty again. I just want it to be clean when I move in. But shoot, this might just have to be it. Time to get that money back by tomorrow. So probably just do one more coat. I got 6 gallons, so I got probably about 2.5 left. So we're gonna rinse this thing out. We got Charlie Mike tomorrow. Let me read these instructions.